The NAA supported the work by VirginiaTech and The Ohio State University to quantify economic impacts of COVID-19. We knew that Congress and the federal agencies would require hard data to support spending public monies for economic assistance. The results and analysis were immediately communicated to Congress, Secretary of Agriculture, and other federal agencies to inform their efforts. We believe that U.S. aquaculture was included in the CARES Act and subsequent assistance programs because economic losses were quickly provided and accurately described in an objective and factual manner.
Trout farming is a very challenging business. When the pandemic hit and restaurants closed, many of the U.S. Trout Farmers Association members were severely impacted. The survey certainly did not seem like an answer to our problems, but the work done by economists has really made a difference. Our association has used their reports like the NAA has to present hard facts that farms need help.
My first thought was, oh no, not another survey. As producers, we don't have a lot of time to do the paperwork and other things when people send out a survey. But however, knowing that the NAA is asking, and a lot of people that care about our success was working on this project, that we needed to take time to contribute and to make sure we make a difference for all the farmers in Florida.
We can't predict the future, but we are currently experiencing increased infections and even deaths. We can expect that Congress and the agencies are going to need more economic data to support additional economic assistance programs. Maine aquaculture is composed of mostly small family farms, and we definitely benefited from the economic assistance. Completing the survey is well worth your time and effort and will benefit your farm directly.
The surveys were a bit of work to fill out, but that's understandable. To generate meaningful information requires more than a couple of questions. For the survey to provide valuable information, we need to challenge ourselves as farmers to spend the time, think about our answers, and provide hard numbers. The assistance received to date by the Pacific Coast shellfish growers has been invaluable. And with a fall surge in COVID illnesses and new round of restaurant closures, the Q4 survey is going to be critical to accurately quantify the impact to demonstrate the need for additional assistance.
We are strongly committed to confidentiality, and all responses to the survey are anonymous. Our team consists of researchers and extension specialists, including Matt Smith, Ganesh Kumar, and Carol Engel. 2020 has been a difficult year, and we wouldn't bother you with a survey unless it were important to support your farms through the challenges brought on by the pandemic. Thank you for your support and participation.